Hi, it's Kieran Lobates here, and in the previous video I was talking about digital signing, and I promised that in the next video I would talk about digital vouchers. So this is that video. And a digital voucher is in essence a digitally signed message where the message provides an instruction to a smart contract to do something. So in the previous video I talked about how you could sign a transaction transferring native cryptocurrency from one address to another, provided the first address has enough balance, and secondly the signature made by the first address, or rather the private key from which the first address is derived, is valid. So that's one particular kind of transaction that you can sign. However, in a smart contract blockchain you can deploy some code in the form of a smart contract that can look at a digitally signed message, verify that it's valid, and then take some action based on the content of the message. So to us developers, that gives us a lot more flexibility as to what kind of transactions we can process on a blockchain. The smart contract acts as an application sitting on top of the smart contract blockchain. And one of the things that you can do with such a signed digital message, which from this point on I'll call a digital voucher, is provide an instruction to a smart contract to transfer some assets that the smart contract is holding on your behalf to another party. And that then leads me on to the idea of software, or rather smart contract vaults. These are smart contracts that are holding digital assets on your behalf. But let's not go into that today, because then this video will get too long. I'll talk about that at some other time. So digital vouchers are messages that are digitally signed, where the message contains an instruction to a smart contract to do something. And the smart contract can verify the digital voucher, check the signature is valid, check other things as well, for example balances or time limits or things like that. And then if the digital voucher is determined to be valid by the smart contract, it'll do the thing that the message instructs it to do. It's as simple as that. Anyway, that's it for today. Do go and check out cheqs.com, cheqs.com, where we're using digital vouchers to help secure crypto transactions and token transactions and make them less error prone. I hope you found this video interesting, and I'll see you in the next one soon. Bye for now.